In this video, we will learn some words that describes about time. First word is o'clock, means baje. Like when you want to say 6 o'clock, you can say 6 baje. Morning, subah. Night, raat. Hour, घंटा. Hours, घंटे. Day, दिन. Days, दिनों. Month, महीना. Months, महीनों. Year, वर्ष और साल. Years, बरसों और सालों. Yesterday or tomorrow means कल. Today, आज. And for AM or PM, we can use vaje. Now see day's name in Hindi. Monday, सोमवार. Tuesday, मंगलवार. Wednesday, बुधवार. Thursday, गुरुवार. Friday, शुक्रवार. Saturday, शनिवार. Sunday, रविवार. Let's see month's name in Hindi. January, January. February, February. March, March. April, April. May, May. June, June. July, July. August, August. September, September. October, October. November, November. December, December. Let's see counting or गिनती. 1, एक. 2, दो. 3, तीन. 4, चार. 5, पाँच. 6, छः. 7, सात. 8, आठ. 9, नौ. 10, दस. For today's lesson, that's it now. We will learn full counting in another video. Till then, this is sufficient for you. If you like my videos, please keep supporting me and subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestion or any question, then leave your comment in comment box of this video.